अब्बास की निगाह में क्या फौज शाम है। अब्बास मुर्तजा की तमन्ना का नाम है। 12 इमाम मजहबे इस्लाम में हुए, ये मजहबे वफा का अकेला इमाम है।
India and Ahl Bayt have a very deep relation in terms of religion. India is the only country where the holy festival of Muharram is celebrated for 2 months and 8 days, that is, from 1st Muharram to 8th Rabiul Awwal, to commemorate the martyrdom of Imam Hussain alayhi salam. Once Imam Hussain alayhi salam have also said to visit India during the Battle of Karbala. So the people of India celebrate the holy festival of Muharram with much belief. Lucknow, Jaunpur, Sultanpur, Amroha and Halor are some of the districts of Uttar Pradesh where Muharram is celebrated with much grief and sorrow. Hazrat Abbas alayhi salam is revered by Muslims for his loyalty to his brother Imam Hussain alayhi salam, his respect for the Ahl Bayt and his role in the Battle of Karbala. He was known as the greatest warrior in Arabia and mirrored the strength of his father Hazrat Ali ibn Abi Talib alayhi salam. The titles achieved by Hazrat Abbas alayhi salam are Ghazi, which means soldier who returned successfully from the battle. Qamar Bani Hashim means moon of Hashemites. Alamdar, which means flag or standard bearer. And Babul Hawaij, which means the door to fulfilling needs. Lucknow, popularly known as the city of Nawabs, is the center of Shia Muslims in India. Being one of the historic cities of India, the architectures found in this city mostly are Nawabi in their style. The Dargah of Hazrat Abbas alayhi salam is one of the most important monuments of Lucknow. This much revered Dargah stands in the Kashmiri Mohalla, southwest of the Akbari Darwaza and Chowk. The Dargah of Hazrat Abbas alayhi salam came into existence during the reign of Nawab Asif-ud-Daulah. A poor man named Mirza Faqir Beg was visited by Hazrat Abbas alayhi salam in his dream and directed to dig out his alam from a specific location in the city. Mirza Faqir Beg went to the site the next morning and discovered a large bronze alam in the shape of a hand. He placed it reverently in his house. Soon the news of the miraculous discovery spread and people started visiting his place with offerings and prayers for the fulfillment of their wishes. Nawab Asif-ud-Daulah also visited the place and ordered that a dome be erected over the place in order to convert it into a dargah. The dargah was constructed by Nawab Sadat Ali Khan in 1798 for the alam to be permanently revered. Dargah Hazrat Abbas alayhi salam consists of sacred alam and khake shifa and much more things in a sacred place which is only opened in Shab-e Ashur, which is 9th Muharram. The whole shrine is decorated with glass. There is a silver-coated cradle of Hazrat Ali Asghar on the east side of shrine. Nawab Ghaziuddin Haidar, the first king of Awadh, provided a Naubat Khana for the entrance to the Dargah in the form of double-story gateway, which is removed recently after the renovation. The king also provided the inner scantum of the shrine where the iconic alam was preserved with silver foiled doors. Rukn-ud-Daulah constructed the beautiful tank in the central courtyard. Sadat Ali Khan got the dome of the Dargah gilded in gold. He also built 2 separate enclosures for male and female visitors to the shrine. The holy shrine of Hazrat Abbas alayhi salam is a place where a devotee has never gone empty hands from his door. That is why he got the title Babul Hawaij, which means the door of fulfilling needs. Every prayer is fulfilled without any due of time, and you will never find his door empty, and it is always crowded by the devotees. People from different localities assemble in the Dargah with alams on 8th of Muharram. Later on, the first Thursday after the sighting of moon, called the Nauchandi Jumerat, is considered auspicious for visiting the shrine, and a large number of devotees crowded the Dargah on this day. Not only the Shia Muslim visit to the holy shrine of Hazrat Abbas alayhi salam, but people from every religious belief come to the Dargah of Hazrat Abbas alayhi salam to offer prayers with much respect, whether he belongs to Ahl Sunnat, Hinduism, Christianity or Sikhism. Kamal Kapoor, Nand Kishore, Rama Shankar and many more Hindu, Christian and Sikh followers of Hazrat Abbas alayhi salam visit to Dargah of Hazrat Abbas alayhi salam every Thursday.
القمر ما قال بالطف جال عباس وضحك عالموت سنه جال عباس تعرف ربك اش خصص جال عباس قيامة الوحدة بيوم القيامة وقيامة تشيل بالصولات وجود وقيامة تشيل عينه وجرح راسه وقيامة تشيل فاطم شايلة جفوف ومن منظر جفوفه ذهلت ناسه ونداء يطلع تضع لجل المثاجيل وتشيب أطفال من هيبة إحساسه إلهي إلهي خذ بثأري ها أنا اليوم أريد انثار جف من قطع باسه أريد انثار فارس طاح الماي